the search plugins bar here. But we're going to do begin install plugin right here. And we'll just do install. And it'll say it's installing Ocean Extra. And then now it says plugin activated successfully. Cool. So let's go back to plugins and then go to add new. And now we're going to get the Elementor page builder. So let's go to search plugins and we'll just type in Elementor. If I spelled that right, yep. Then Elementor page builder. It's the first one here. It's got over 1 million active installations. So let's go ahead and click install now. And then click on activate. Cool. So now it'll bring you to this little get started page. You can watch a tutorial if you want, but we're just going to exit out of that. We don't need that. So before we get started with actually customizing our website, I provided you with a template that we're going to install now. So if you go down to the description below, you will see those Elementor templates. Download those, and here is how to install them. So from your dashboard, you'll see the Elementor tab over here. Just go up to My Templates. And then instead of doing add new template, that's actually how you create them, go over to the import templates up at the top. And then it'll say choose file. We'll just hit choose file. And mine are on my desktop, but if you download them, they're probably in your downloads folder. So go over to personal website templates and we'll do the personal website first. So I have the actual website template and then I have the footer template. But right now we're going to do the personal website template and click open and then import now. Cool. And now let's go back to import templates, choose the file, and we'll also put in that footer. Open and import now. Alright, cool. So now we've got our website and our footer templates in here. So let's go over and make a home page. So just go up to the Pages tab and then go to Add New. Alright, so from here, just close out of this little wonderful world of blocks thing. Just close that. And let's just call this home page. Alright, so then on the right, just go to these drop downs over here and click on Page Attributes. And then change default template to Elementor full width. This is really important. So from here, then just go up to publish. And it'll say, are you ready to publish? Yeah, nobody's actually looking at our site. This is just our way of saving it. So just click on publish. Alright, so then go up to your name at the top left and click visit site and open it up in a new window. Alright, cool. So from here, just click on customize. And what we want to do is we've now just made this home page, but our theme, which is Ocean WP, is not recognizing this as the home page. It's still showing us this hello world post template. And we want to get rid of that. So we want to make the connection to our new home page that we just created. So go down to home page settings and then click on a static page. And then under home page, click the select button. And then just click on home page. So if you had clicked save draft instead of publish, you probably won't see this here. You have to click publish in order for this new home page to show up. So now that we've selected home page, you can see we've got this full width page that we can now play with, and we can now go add our template to it. So from here, click on publish again, and then click on the X. And let's go to edit page. And I'm actually going to close out of this old window here. Cool. So from here, let's do edit with Elementor. Alright, so here is the fun part. Now we can start actually customizing. So the way Elementor works is you can just click on this new section button and then just select a structure. We'll just select the main one. And if you click on this little Rubik's Cube looking symbol up here, you can now drag in all these widgets. So you could drag in an image if you want, or a heading, which is just text, and then you can change the text. So I can just, type my name, for instance, and then you can edit it, change the colors, all that kind of stuff. But first, what I'm going to do is add our new template so that everything is made for you. I just wanted to show you real quick how all this stuff works. So first, let's go over to the Add Template, which is this little folder button. And then just go up to My Templates. And then you'll see our two templates that we imported. So we'll do the personal website one.